Butrint National Park is one of the most famous attractions of Albania. This place, for lovers of nature and archaeology, is located only 20 kilometers from Saranda. The park covers almost 94 square kilometers of lakes, swamps, clearings and islands. It supports 1,200 plant and animal species, some of which live exclusively in this national park. The best times for bird watching are during the winter and spring months. Under the protection of the national park are all the lakes and lagoons in Butrint, the Vivari Natural Canal and the archaeological site of Butrint, which is of great importance for Albania, has been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. There are private guides available on the archaeological site for guided tours during the summer season. One of the main attractions is a boat ride with the locals on the lake. This brackish coastal lake, with an outlet to the sea via a canal of about 4 kilometers, is used for extensive mussel farming and hunting, and is surrounded by hills with orchards and scattered dense shrubby Mediterranean maquis. The view of the islets of Ksamil, which practically defend the lake from the sea and where there are beautiful beaches, is particularly inspiring.